This is Akanksha from Bangalore. I wear many hats. I work as a soft skill trainer currently. I freelance as a soft skill trainer, behavioral trainer, communication coach. I work with children, I work with teachers, I work with adults in across industries, which could be IT, ITES, pharma, logistics, education, and many more. And primarily I worked out of Bangalore, a little bit in Hubli and Chennai. These are the locations that I've worked on. I come with a good solid HR or human resources experience, sound technical knowledge in human resources management, balance that very delicate thread of people management and what the organization wants and what the employee wants. And I've enjoyed coaching people when it comes to career management. What is the kind of role that they want, and what is it that the organization wants to offer? Currently, I run children's in my free time. I run a children's library, which is based out of Sarjapur. So I've created this beautiful space with about close to about 200 members, and we've touched over 5,000 families in Sarjapur, where we offer a beautiful space for many after school enrichment activities for children, for adults, and senior citizens in Sarjapur. It's a performance space wherein we work with children, we work with teachers, we work with many service providers who offer varied things which are not really offered at school or at home. It could be a life skill, it could be something to do with public speaking, which I personally offer. It could be to do with the AI, it could be to do with robotics, it could be anything that the child would need uh, in his growth and all of that. And so this library is very special and close to my heart because I've been with it for the last 3 years now. We rent out books. Obviously, that's what a library is all about. So we rent out not just books, but we also rent out fun, educational, family-based board games, fun games, pretend play games, all of that which the child would need during its years of right from 6 months to about 13 years of age. And in terms of my soft skill training, I offer these programs to organizations, to agencies who put me on to various other organizations. It could be in the areas of performance management, it could be in the areas of public speaking, communication, first time managers, posh, how to communicate for teachers. I work with teachers, how to communicate with parents. I am also a very passionate storyteller. So I have performed at very many places. It could be libraries, it could be schools, it could be small get togethers, gatherings, and all of that, community services, and those areas that I've worked with. I also help schools set up libraries, reading corners, which could be which is something again very close to my heart, and I've enjoyed doing all of this. And I'm an NLP practitioner. I'm a certified NLP practitioner. I have an MBA from ICFI in human resources, and for graduation, I'm a BA honors in economics. And on the personal front, I'm a mother to a 7-year-old son, and my husband is an entrepreneur in the field areas of printing and cartridges. That's about me. Thank you very much for listening in. So I truly believe in hard work and networking, being there with the right people at the right time. Thank you again.